when you're installing drainage. It can trip you up if you're not paying attention. And it's that if you over excavate a trench, that means digging too deep, you can always backfill it. The trap that I see many people fall into is, instead of just backfilling to get to the height that you need and keeping your slope, they start digging out to match the deepest point of the trench, and that's a tremendous amount of work. So what we're going to do, I'm going to explain a couple things. So over here I over excavated, did it on purpose, because I didn't know what was going on, and with the machine I generally I'll dig deeper so that I don't have to come back to it. I don't have to measure it too carefully. So up here we're normal depth, and then we go really deep through here, and then our trench at the bottom gets really flat, and then it starts going downhill. The temptation will be to just dig it out and keep on going. No, but I don't need to do that because it's really deep through here. All I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna backfill. I'm gonna backfill starting from where the trench is normal. That's a more normal depth over there. I'm just gonna start backfilling just a little bit. I'm gonna start tapering off my trench. I'll start tapering off my trench through here. So I put dirt in there. I put dirt in that trench. I'm gonna get my level. Now a level is only gonna tell you and only gonna help you with any one point in your trench. Any one point. All right, check this out. We have slope. We are going downhill. That's good. I'm gonna raise that up a little bit more because it goes a little higher. And then it goes deeper right here. I'm gonna just taper this out, and this will help us give us some slope rather than just having this stair step and getting flat. We're just going to even the slope out, but we're going to achieve it by put some dirt back in at the point where it gets really deep. We're going to smooth that out, and everything else is good on this trench.